What's up, YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I pray you guys are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you guys how to decorate a birthday party in home. Okay, so first what we're going to do is blow up our balloons. We're going to make sets of quads. Quads are sets of 4. And the size balloons I have are 5, 12, 18, and 10. Once you finish blowing up your balloons and making your quad, it's time to make the garland. So I usually start from the 5 and I just grow to the bigger balloons because that's just the style that I'm going for, but you really can just grab balloons and make your garland. Hey guys, and this is my first year on YouTube, and I'm being optimistic. I really believe that I can get 500 subscribers this year. So if you're watching this video, please hit the subscriber button. Thank you so much. Okay, now that I'm finished with the garland, I'm going to attach the garland to my round arch. After I finish that, I usually take my fillers or cluster and just fill the garland out to make it look fuller and thicker. So here I'm going to be making a small centerpiece for the table because it's only one table. And she didn't want much on the table because she really wanted me to focus on the backdrop, but here's the table. I got these from Amazon. Amazon have a lot of nice things for birthdays that you want to do in home. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you have a fun time decorating your birthday parties in home.